If you do not have a piece of paper, please grab one now. And if you do, please make sure that it is numbered 1 through 18. So 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way down until 18.
I already wrote those a long time ago before the morning meeting.
You're a pro, man.
My mom did them for me.
Good job. Okay.
I already did math and spelling packet.
Cool. Laura, or not Laura, Gracie, what's up? I can't hear you, honey.
I finished everything.
Oh, good girl.
I'm almost done with everything. I just need to do Bible, history, science, language.
Okay, here we go, my friends. Number one. Do you guys want me to mute you during this, or do you think you can?
Mute.
I'm going to mute all of you. But you can unmute yourselves if you need to, okay?
What?
I'm going to allow you to unmute yourselves if you have an urgent question. But remember, I will go over all the words at the end, okay? Cool beans. Here we go, muting. Number one. Word. He read the word in the book. Word. Number two. Were. Where were you? Said my mom. Were. Number three. Turn. Wait your turn, said the teacher. Turn. Number four. Girls. Yes, honey. Okay, Daddy, can you ask Daddy, please? Sorry, guys. I'm a mom and a teacher. Hi, Daddy. Number four, girls. The little girls played soccer. Girls. Number five, verse. The Bible verse was short. Verse. I'm unmuting you, Russell. What's up?
What was number 5?
Verse. Remember, I go all over them at the end, though. Tiggs, what's up, baby? Number 3 is turn. Caleb, what's up?
What's number 6?
We haven't done that one yet. But you're ahead of the game. Good job. Okay, here we go. Number 6. Color. Mrs. Forte loves to color. Number 7. Number 7 says verse again too. So So just scratch that one out. Just put a line through number 7. I don't know why that's there. Number 8. Number 8. So if you just joined, we skipped number 7 on our spelling test. We're on to number 8. World. World. The world is round. World. World. Yes, Gracie. I'm trying to unmute you. It's not working. Okay, Grace, what's up?
Heard that some of the words sound things. Maybe they're trying to make it sound the same.
No, they're spelled the same too. It just looks like a mistake on there. Yeah, it just looks like a mistake. Okay, number 9. Number 9. Third. Next year you will be in 3rd grade. Third. If you just joined late, that's okay. I'm recording this. We are on word number 10 on our spelling test, okay? Number 10 is serve. He likes to serve at church on Sunday. Serve. Number 11, purple. The grapes were purple. Number 12, doctor. He went to the doctor because he felt sick. Doctor. Number 13, further. He walked further than his brother. Further. Number 14, herself. She enjoyed herself when they went to the zoo. Herself. Number 15. If I'm good, give me a thumbs up. You doing okay? Okay. Number 15, birthday. Thank you, Liam. Birthday. Number 15 is birthday. Tegan got a beautiful lamp that she painted for her birthday. Number 16, Saturday. Tomorrow is Saturday.
Does it have to be uppercase?
Yes, it has to be uppercase. Thank you for asking. Saturday. Hi, Jonah. We're on number 17 of our spelling test, okay, buddy? But I'm recording this so you can go back and take it in a little bit, okay?
Do I have to unmute you?
Oh, sorry, I'm muting you. Number 17, walked. They walked to the library to check out a book. Walked. Caleb B, what's up, baby?
Was number 17 walked?
Yes, walked.
And was number 16 Saturday?
Correct.
Okay.
Russell.
What's number 18?
What? I'm not there yet, Goofy. You gotta give me a minute. Number 18, this has to be capitalized because it's the name of a month, is April. Today is April 17th. April. Gracie, what's up?
I got a little sleep because we have a calendar, and it says like,
Silly goose.
yay!
Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to unmute you guys, and I'm going to go through the list again, one at a time. But if you came in on like word 15 or 16, I'm recording this whole meeting so you can go back and you can take it again, okay? So number 1, this is for my friends that are just double checking. Number 1 is word. Number 2 is were. Number 3 is turn. Number 4 is girls. Number 5 is verse. Number 6 is color. Number 7, just put a line through because we're not doing a number 7. It was a repeat. Number 8 is world. Number 9 is third. Number 10 is serve. Number 11 is purple. Number 12 is doctor. Number 13 is further. Number 14 is herself. Just a minute. Number 15 is birthday. Number 16 is Saturday. That one has to be capitalized. Number 17 is walked. And number 18 is April. That one has to be capitalized too. Do we have any questions? Specifically.
Yeah.
Yeah, Russ.
I thought the words are actually easy.
The words are getting easy. Wait till next week. They'll get a little more challenging next week. Okay, you'll be fine. Okay, don't forget, ask your mommies and daddies to help you turn that in. Ask your mommies and daddies to help you turn that out on Canvas. But we're going to go over what we're going to do for the rest of the day, okay? Hands up.